So right now there's a bunch of sneaker deals that you guys can buy from Nike, Adidas, and New Balance, and I wanted to share with you guys my top deals that I found for you guys right now. Hope you guys like these type of videos, and if you do, make sure you guys subscribe, and I do these videos once or twice a month. Also, I wanted to mention if you guys use any of the links in the description, it directly supports the channel and the family when you guys do that. Honestly, I can't thank you guys anybody enough that uses those links. It really, really means a lot. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first of all, Adidas has a 20% off sale with code SPLASH. There's quite a few deals with this that I'm going to be covering. Nike also has an extra 25% off sale with code DAY1. This has been going on for quite a while. I covered it a couple weeks ago, but it's actually ending in a couple days, so just letting you guys know. And also New Balance has an extra 40% in cart on select items. So I'll get into some of those. So first up, we'll start off with the Adidas deals. Extra 20% off, use code SPLASH. There's a couple really solid ones here that are like double discounted really heavily. So the first one is the deal of the day, in my opinion, for the price point. For $64 instead of $160, you can get the Adizero Gokanas. This is a pretty comfortable model. It's a lifestyle model. It's a bit chunky, but it has light strike, I believe, in the midsole. And overall, you're saving almost like $100 on this one at retail. It's only available in this black colorway. The other ones are on sale as well, but this one is on sale for almost $100 off. Also, pro tip, make sure you log into your account respectively to whatever site it is, because usually they offer free shipping when you log in. Also, you'll end up getting points to the respective sites. Like with Adidas, I get so many points that if there's a new pair that is not eligible for discount, I usually have an extra 20 to 30% off that I could basically add to like a full price item. Again, ones that are not usually eligible for discount. So it's definitely worth doing that. Next deal for $56 instead of $100, you can get the Adidas Zen Boost. Again with code SPLASH, and this is available in pretty much all the colorways. I like the white colorway. There's also the black and white colorway, but they have a handful of other ones out there, including a triple black. But this is a pretty comfortable model overall. If you guys haven't seen my review, go check that out, and if you guys are interested in it, then you can make the purchase. Now next up, for $84 instead of $150, Clot has a collab. I believe this is called the Mundile. I'm not really sure on actually the pronunciation, but it's by Edison Chen, and use code SPLASH for $84 instead of, again, $150. This is a pretty cool looking model. I like the colorway. The quality looks really good as well. This one also has a Clot branding on it. Overall, it's a nice collaboration at like a fraction of the cost. So this one's probably my favorite deal from Adidas right now, so much so that I actually ended up buying it, so I will have a review on this one when it comes. But for $78 instead of $140, you can get the Clot Sambas by Edison Chen. This is a nice looking variation of a Samba. It's kind of like a low profile pair anyway, but with this one, they make it extra low profile. And I like the way that they marry the midsole to the upper on this. It just looks really crazy. It's kind of like a classic colorway that they added everything to it. But honestly, I was like, this is crazy for a Clot collaboration for $78, and it looks like it's going to be higher tiered quality than the basic one. Even though it's really low profile, it's not necessarily my personal preference for sneakers, but it's one where the price point was right, and I was like, I just got to check these out in person. I don't think the Clot line is getting enough love from Adidas, which is a positive for those people that know about it and are interested in it at the sale price, which is pretty darn good. $78 is pretty solid. Another deal that I really like, you can get the Handball Special, and that is available for $70 instead of $110 in the gray Strata colorway. I thought this one looked really nice. Honestly, this was one I was like, do I need to buy this one? Because it's like gray, and then you have that gum sole on the bottom. This is going to be a perfect pair for fall time. So if you're thinking ahead, for $70, it's a pretty solid deal. They have all sizes available, and if you go to the Handball link in the description, you can also click on other colorways that may interest you. Other ones are available for discount as well, but this is the one that I primarily like the most. For those Adizero Boston 12 fans, you're in luck because they're only $76 instead of $160. I feel like the Boston 12 is really taking a back seat to the Adizero Evo SL, which rightfully so, that's a great model. But for $76, Boston 12s, it's a pretty solid offering. Again, use code SPLASH. All right, so the first time the Terex Free Hiker 3 Ultra Gore-Tex is on sale for $176. The retail is normally $220. They have one colorway specifically that is on sale. It's the white and black colorway. I actually really like this one. I think this one looks really, really solid. I have this model, absolutely love this model. It's a really solid hiking pair, but also obviously Gore-Tex as well. So again, thinking forward to the fall and the winter months, this is going to be a solid one. $176, again, not a bad price point considering this is the very first time we've seen this one on sale. Also, the Adidas Pure Chill is on sale for $45 instead of $75. This is a pretty solid model. I would say it does fit pretty big, so go down half a size. I'm a 9.5 normally, so I would go down to a size 9. If you go up a half a size, it's a little bit too big. But this one is available in a couple different colorways, and it's $30 off. And again, make sure you log in for free shipping. $45 is a pretty solid price point. They're very comfortable on feet. They are a bit heavy, but they have lots of traction on the bottom as well. It's a pretty solid pair though, to be honest, and I did a review on these already if you guys want to go check out my review. highly recommend it. All right, so moving on, Joe's New Balance outlet has an extra 40% off select shoes. Now, I just posted the main link down in the description, but check that out and then go and see what is available in your sizes, because it is select sizes. Sometimes it's a full size run, but sometimes it is in select. So just go to men's footwear on the left-hand side, select your size, and then let it filter to what is available in your size if you don't want to be tempted by some of the other things that are out there. But there's some pretty awesome options out here for those people that are looking. First of all, I mean, you can get the numeric Andrew Reynolds 933s for $97 plus an extra 40% off. So that's a fantastic deal for like under $60. You can also get the 204Ls for 40% off of $90, which again is a pretty massive savings. They have the 770 skate model as well, and some numeric 480s. They just have a bunch of just random pairs here and there worth a look. I mean, even some 9060Zs for $85 plus 40% off extra. And for those serious runners out there, one of the best deals I see is the Super Comp Elite V5 is on sale for $120. They retail at $265. So that is a fantastic savings, and they do have a lot of different sizes available right now for those people that are interested. But check them out. They have lots and lots of different deals over there on Joe's New Balance outlet. So Nike also has an extra 25% off with code DAY1. That one is ending very, very soon. But if you haven't used it yet, I covered a couple of the different deals in the previous video, and I'll cover it again here. The first one is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Band. I mean, the Band 1 lows for 109 instead of 145. It's crazy that you could get these at retail still and under retail. Like, honestly, it's a crazy time we're living in, right? Like, this is a pair that would be the #1 back to school shoe for sure, I would think. But they're just sitting out there, and it's crazy the kids would choose the Sambas, just that one, basic colorway of the Sambas over those Jordan 1s. Like nowadays, it's just wild. My son hasn't even found out about the Sambas yet, but I feel like in another year he's gonna be like, yo, why don't I have a pair of these? And anyway, it's crazy. Also, they have some Kobe 9 Elite lows you can get for 114 instead of 119 in select colorways and sizes. And you have a bunch of different LeBron 23s on sale for $95, which is fantastic. I mean, it's a great model, honestly. For $95, it's a good deal. A couple other noteworthy models: you can get the Nike Windflow 12s on sale. You can get the Pegasus 42s on sale. You can get the Structure Pluses on sale. They have a GT Cut 4 Rob Dillingham colorway that is 86 instead of 210. Fantastic deal on that one. And so on. So if you guys want to see the rest of the deals that I posted, I have them linked in the description at the very top. Take you to my website and it'll show you all of the deals. Also, for those people that have not seen my review of the Hyperboost EPHR or the Euphoria, they have the Euphoria and the Euphoria Lite available over on Adidas for those people that are interested in newer models that I think are pretty awesome. And then also New Balance does have the ALD Rebel V5 in this blue colorway that is dropping on 8/14 to 7 a.m. So I think that one's going to sit. It's a nice blackout midsole on that one. The blue looks nice with the ALD logo on it. It's definitely not a standard pair of the Rebels. But speaking of the Rebels, they do have the Super Comp Rebels out now over on New Balance as well. They are $200 though. They're a bit expensive. I did get a pair of them. I have a video that I'm working on, so stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys check back. But overall, my first impressions are they're pretty awesome. I mean, they have the Infineon foam, which is awesome, and it's a different version of Infineon than the 1080s. But anyway, I'll cover that hopefully very, very soon this week. Anyways, that's kind of it for the sneaker deals. Hopefully you guys found them somewhat informative. Again, link in the description for those people that are interested, and I will pin a comment to my website, which will have all the deals over there as well. But hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day. Hopefully see you back on the channel for more sneaker content soon. See you guys.